Hello, hi, good morning. Myself Ajit, and thanks for the opportunity. I'm representing on behalf of Hassel company here, and this word might not have any meaning in the Google or in the dictionary. You might not find it, but that word carries a big value for us. I'll come back to that point, and how this word evolved, I'll come back to that point later on. Okay. Now, Hassel Contracting, we have a mission where we give the quality construction at competitive rates and within the set timelines. Here, quality makes a difference, competitive cost makes a difference, and the time is the most important thing, because we have to deliver the goods in a good time. Our pride is to give the commitment and trust to our clients. Then our values is safety and welfare, because safety is the most important thing in the construction site. Safety it's a big issue at the construction site, and welfare means welfare of our staffs, because the staffs are the most important pillars of a company. Now, what makes us unique? Our staffs and workforce are regularly trained and updated of the situations in the market, and so far, because of that, touch wood, and by God's grace, we have 0 accidents for the last 10 years. Now, why Hassel? By giving a work to the Hassel, the client can be rest assured that they will get a quality product on time with a competitive rate. So that's why we are saying that whenever we go to the clients, our clients are very, most of our orders are coming as repeated orders from our clients, because we give a quality product in a time in a competitive rate. And we started our work from the gypsum work to painting, and right now we are in the construction field also. So quality, innovation and sustainability. We can give a quality product, but if it's not worth and long term thing, then it cannot be sustainable. So we have to give a quality product. It's not for a temporary purpose. It should be in a sustainable and environmental responsible way too. So that's why we anchored on the main 3 points as quality, innovation and sustainability. Our journey, we started 10 years ago in 2013, and it was started by 3 people, myself, my brother-in-law Girish Menon, and my cousin Ritish Menon. We came from 3 different fields, okay, but I am still working, and my other partners, they are in this field. They had lot of experience, and we utilized their experience to start our own company. We started in 2013, and we were only 6 members. After this, 2014, we relocated our office in order to have a better visibility and to the market. Then at that time, we slowly started growing, and the first year our business was almost 600,000 maximum. Yeah, if I remember properly, it was around 600,000. Then slowly the business started growing, and in order to accommodate everything, we have to move our office to the Al Khabesi, and where we started the civil constructions and for the projects. As the market grew up, we saw that it is very competitive in the market, and we were relying on many of the subcontractors. So the quality of the work given by the subcontractors were not to our standards. We started realizing that, and the market became rate-wise also too competitive. So we decided to start our own subsidiaries. That's in 2021, and right now we have in 23, we have our own staff 160 plus, and still we are taking subcontractors, where we have almost 100 plus subcontractors staff, not companies. At 2023, you can see now where we stand. This is our company structure: Hassel, Starwood, Hassel Contracting, and Hybrid Electromechanical. Now I'll come back to the previous point. What does Hassel means? Here, by seeing this, you can see that Hassel, that's the parent company, and it has got 3 subsidiaries. I can say subsidiaries, but each of them has their own separate trade license. Each is operating with separate trade license because of the rules and regulations in Dubai. Now, Hassel, this word, as I mentioned earlier, we have got big value for this and how the word evolved. What do we say for this in the top? It's parent company, right? Parent company, we took the name from our mother's name. So this is HE is the first 2 letters of my cousin's mother. SA is for Girish mother, L is for my mother's. So that's the way we evolved this thing. Okay, now Starwood is our company which gives do the joinery and the carpentry work. contracting work, property refurbishment and civil works is done by Hessel Contracting, and hybrid does all the MEP works for the same thing. See, Hessel, as I mentioned, this is just a slide, and this we can see that Hessel provides a high standard of quality and values to our clients. To achieve this, we have an advantage. So this is something which we do for the Hessel Contracting. Next is about the Starwood, the same what we do, which is mainly for the furniture and joinery works. Third thing, MEP works, which is named as hybrid. So these are some of our major projects. One of them is the Bourgeois Mall office, and I have not shown the picture here, but it is for Hellman, one of the MNC companies for whom we are doing the corporate spaces. These are the companies where we work for. These are our clients actually. Second, for the residents, we have done villas in Falcon City and villa in Meadows, Anantara North Residence and villa in Arabian Ranches. These are the villas which we purely did. And then school projects, again school projects, it has to be done on a proper time, because the schools, we get a very short period of time to complete the work during the vacation times, because otherwise the schools are working and that time we cannot work. That's where we have to give the full performance in a very short period of time. We do school projects. This is the pictures of some of the school projects like JC Dubai College and Metropole School. So these are the school projects which we have done. These are our major clients, and starting from MR, we have done to Crown Plaza, Toys R Us, Hellman, and these are the project clients which we have done for the project for them. Here, our clients are major repeated, we get the repeated orders from them. We start, as I mentioned, in 2010, we started with around 600,000 was our value of the business, and now it has been turned to almost, touchwood, this year we are turning up to 40 million. And 50% of that comes from the single customer, 50% of our work comes from the single customer, and that's the school projects which every year we get it. The communities where we have worked for is the Villa, City Walk, Arabian Ranches, Emirates, all these places we have worked for the works. And there is much more to come, and hopefully by grace of God we will continue in this way, and our business grows into it. Thank you.